So what we're doing in this entire logistics business is connecting via API. So your API is to not only to your customers ERP or their TMS or whatever system your customer has, and also do you connect your API on the other side to all those carriers?
We do, and the beauty of it is we're connecting into their whatever they're using to facilitate their operations. So if they've got their own TMS, we're connecting into their TMS, and what that does is that lets our logistics partners stay in their native environment as opposed to trying to force feed them a separate app that says, here, you've got, if you want our deliveries, you've got to go to our job board, or you've got to be able to use our app. So we are completely agnostic to the single source of truth for the shipper and completely agnostic for the single source of truth for the logistics providers. And that's the beauty of what our CTO David Dasher and his team are doing, which is they're building that connection layer, and think of it as just kind of a normalization layer that allows all of these different inputs to come in and normalize it so that we can share it back. We can both be speaking Chinese, but you may be speaking Mandarin and I may be speaking Cantonese. And the beauty of OneRail is that we're going to normalize that and make sure that everybody understands that we're of what everybody's saying, even though we're speaking two different dialects of the same language.
Yep. And so your platform is customer facing. They're actually interfacing with your platform.
So they have the ability to bring that data into their system and never even see our dashboard or kind of the UX and UI side of our business. And that brings that in, that data to them, whether it's Salesforce.com or their OMS or whatever they're using as their single source of truth. We can feed that data right back in, and their users can stay in that environment. For those that don't have that layer of sophistication, we do provide to them a dashboard, a control tower that allows them to see every delivery in flight. Doesn't make a difference if it's a local courier, if it's a 53-foot drive in, it could be drone when that's ready. We're looking forward to that. Drone providers out there, come talk to me. So it's those types of things where we want to be able to provide a single source of truth in the form of every delivery in flight, but it's your system, it's your process. Whatever is important to you, we're here to facilitate.